Do you want to learn how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. For the people that are in US, you can call a toll-free number, which is 1-800 ChatGPT, to have a voice conversation with the AI assistant. And now, if you want to directly chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp, head over to your mobile phone and open up WhatsApp. Now on here, I'm going to select ChatGPT because I was already testing it out before. I will click on these three dots and view contact. You need to add this mobile number to your contacts to chat with ChatGPT. On the bottom right, you're going to find this chat button. Click on it and then click on new contact. And here in the phone field, you need to select the country code to +1 and enter the phone number inside it. Now here, I have filled the new contact page. I've put the first name as ChatGPT and I've also changed the country code to United States, which is +1, and I've added the phone number on the right. And because I've already added it to my contacts list, that's why it says this person is already in your contacts. Now save it and head over to ChatGPT and click on here, search, and search for ChatGPT. Go inside it, and now you can start having a conversation with ChatGPT inside WhatsApp. And just like that, as you see here, I've started talking with it, and this was the result. And you can do the same by following the steps in this tutorial. Now, one thing that you're not able to do inside WhatsApp is that you're not able to search the web in real time, which you will be able to do if you go to their main app, which is ChatGPT app or their website. So yeah, that's it. This is how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.